It is rather fortunate news for the people of Jongksha to have received certain approvals from the Meghalaya government with regards to the upliftment and welfare of the people of the constituency. This was announced by the Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, who was the chief guest at the foundation stone laying ceremony of the proposed stadium at Madan Thukhon, Jongksha on 9th December 2020. While speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister informed that the PHC at Jongksha would be upgraded to a CHC. Also, the link road from Jongksha to Thynroid, which has been proposed by the MLA of Mawkynrew Constituency, Mr. Banteidor Lyngdoh, has also been sanctioned by the government for its construction. After having laid the foundation stone for the proposed stadium at Jongksha, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that the government is focused on upliftment of the youth in the area, and the construction of a stadium would promote sports activities, which he considers to be a means towards character building.
I'm happy to inform you that with the intervention of your MLA, it has been decided to upgrade the Jongksha PHC to a CHC. I'm also happy to inform you that with the intervention of your MLA, we will be having an outpost in Jongksha, police outpost. And I'm also happy to inform you that the link road between Jongksha to Thynroid, which has been a very, very important link road, the Honorable Minister and your MLA has met me many times to take this project up. I want to assure you and I want to give a commitment to you that we will be taking up this project and we will sanction it within the next financial year. We are all here to see the final outcome of that in terms of the work beginning for this indoor stadium. And as I mentioned, that this will not just be a stadium that will be of benefit to the people of Jongksha or for Mawkynrew Constituency, but it will be an infrastructure that will facilitate and help sports people from throughout the state.